Hey guys, welcome back to Culpeth Mini Projects. So the upcoming deer season is coming up, and today we are going to be building a deer stand for that, and I'm with my grandpa today. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we have all the pieces out now, so now we're going to open the instructions and get started.
The knife has been used. Dump them out.
Okay.
Let's get the nuts separated.
Do you think this is the same size as these?
No.
I ain't measuring that. Put it down.
Do the bolts go in or out? You want the nuts on the outside or inside?
The washers,
The nuts.
I don't think there's, place the washers in the head of the bolts under the nuts.
We're just showing the bolts going in.
Oh, yeah.
Ratchet.
No?
Right here.
Oh.
Big sandwich. Yeah. Okay, now you can do it. Can you see?
Do I put another washer in there?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so pretty much we're just going to take this bolt and we're going to stick a washer in, and as you put the bolt in, you always want to make sure that the bolt goes in on the inside and not facing out, because if you face it out, then eventually you could possibly get your hunting clothes caught on it, so you always want to make sure that the bolt is facing inside. So we're going to put this bolt in with a washer, and then we're going to wash it there, and then we are just going to put a nut on. And that's basically the whole process that we've been doing this entire time. So I have my impact and my wrench with me here, and we're going to go through and tighten all the bolts. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We just got done with all this. So we left it in 2 pieces so that's easier for transportation. But yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to get more of our new videos. See you guys.